सपने रोज सजाती, ममता की याद सताती.
City Montessori School Community Radio is broadcasting valuable programs for the people of the community. In the routine course of planning and discussion, flashed an idea. The idea revolved around the motto, for the community, of the community, and by the community. It was decided the radio series will be packed with element of education, information, and entertainment like drama, audience interaction, in short, complete community involvement. The conceived program took shape and was christened Saath Hi Haath Badhana. The pilot program was conceived with a series of episodes conveying messages with interesting content for the awareness of the community, and each episode contained feedback directly from the community. The discussed program took shape into script form, and subsequently a hunt started for the anchor, preferably from the community. He or she should be able to communicate in local community dialect. The search for the anchor from the community ended on one name, Sarita Rawat. Sarita was then called at the CMS audio studio and was trained as an anchor by CMS CRS staff. A delighted Sarita says, "I always wanted to do something different, but as I live in a village, I had never thought that I too could contribute to the betterment of my village. Saath Hi Haath Badhana has given me opportunity to show my talents, and through this program, I love to educate people about their day-to-day problems." Now, the radio program Saath Hi Haath Badhana is being anchored by Sarita Rawat, that covers various issues of the community such as clean drinking water, dengue fever and its prevention, superstitions, diametrically bad usage of polythene bags, girl-child education, consequences of usage of products after expiry dates, hygiene, sanitation, vaccination, etc. Saath Hi Haath Badhana is helping Sarita Rawat to earn a good income for her family and herself. Implementation process and approach of program Saath Hi Haath Badhana are: mapping of village or community, visit to village or community to understand their issues and problems, indoor discussion for scripts, writing of scripts, anchoring and drama, going in field for outdoor recordings of community people, their thoughts about the last and current episode, indoor recording of anchoring, scripting of drama, expert opinion and guidance about the issue, editing mixing of recorded material, airing of episode, and the last and most important step is revisiting same community to record their views and impact of the aired program. This is the most important part of the implementation process of this program, to know what our last end user feel about the program and what he has learned from the program. Then only the cycle process of program Saath Hi Haath Badhana is completed. End user of program Saath Hi Haath Badhana are mainly the people from the community, be it rural or urban. USP of program Saath Hi Haath Badhana is a direct participation of the people in the community, their feedback and impact about aired episode, which helps us to understand the appropriate way to communicate with them. Achievement of program Saath Hi Haath Badhana is the program clicked among the listeners and Sarita became a popular star anchor from the community. The day came when CMS radio program Saath Hi Haath Badhana got National Award from Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India in 2nd Community Radio Sammelan held at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Saath Hi Haath Badhana is an amazing success story of a program that was conceived in a small studio, taking the shape that it is today. The program Saath Hi Haath Badhana is taking care of many issues related to the community and is continuously rising the popularity chart.
ममता की याद सताती।